cheers. Oh, my pussy cheers. Ice cream. Okay, the flavor.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up, bless up. You know the style, though. I Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix down. So subscribe if I your first time or if I up on the channel and give the video a like. Alright, peeps. So the police guy where a slurp and protect cars, I could serve and protect that on a big man level, different level, you see me? So him police friend them a laugh off him different.
So like back now, him terrible man. The man now come up here and brother. No man. Squaddy not after go on so. Squaddy can ease up some my time. Blood slap me say squaddy they like man like him I say blood slap me like him man tongue stuck at him and I say pussy clap me tongue can't go no further man. And the man pussy. No sir. No. A history. Let us give him a promotion. No man not supposed to name pussies are still a constable. No. Unbelievable.
But anyways, guys, you know say on a different level after the dog sets up Babson. Do him do you know say the dog say him take couple pillow well. And I try overdose of the kill out it. Yo, Jano, may I make on the ear on next video cause some things are going on. I don't know if I make them make up this but hear it.
Some tablet today. Overdose myself. I go to K-Page today. You cause them something here now. Answer your phone, I'm going to talk to you. Answer your phone. You're going to make it get worse now, you know. I do something more wicked to myself, you know. Why you want to do something here? Why?
Nah, I tell no lie still. This are the talk of the town, talk of the island, a matter of fact. You see me? But big man thing, nigga, you water down the force on a different level. And me I really want to say me I got talk about the whole of this right. I say, but a brother, yeah, him a freak, him freak out. Why out youth? Pon up, pon off. You see me? Jano KFC boss.
5 minutes and brambles you deal with the pussy. Wicked man, me I tell you that. I want me under anything me I try pussy so my boy. My boy, I went to me under the blood clot end dog. Me and him pussy them way. Boy, you bad. You blood girl. You will put out the video. I tell you want tappy man in a life. You girl. Show the man say nah name your pussy no more. You do that. You're green. You's a green bitch. You even though officer, right now you forget a medal on of Jamaica and carry for your blood clot shirt. What kind of blood clot bring you want to bring down the officer? Me so come to you say he's a married deacon in a church, you know. But right now from the pussy name in community we are raising. Yes! You get them pussy if you get name out. Wicked see him so bumbo clot. Brother, high five. Bumbo clot officer, what do you man? As me come a yard and me a yard par. Me and blood clot you, we have a same rank mouth. Me and you. I saw them say we go nyam pussy with mouth rank. So me I wonder if girl is so good if them mouth no rank to kind of still piss come out of hood. So alright then, we can hold the rank mouth. Alright. Me like you. Enough found a Jamaican man down there and your mouth pussy like blood clot dog. Oh no girl, me glad you not take me advice last year. And me tell you what if blood clot do me and the blood clot cheer. Yes, me and the cheer. It's true you good on me and the blood clot cheer this year. Me and the cheer you a profit. Me tell you me sit down right there so me say, hey, when them boy and your mouth on the pussy, video them. Show with the blood clot motion. Show with your boy them a deal with. And me say what the boy done, me say, he suck off the finger them in the just say it, Mr. Pussy. Hey, see me and you, we forget award. You see we not get an award this year, we not come back, boy. Me and you deserve award, boy. What me say? What we deserve? Award. When? No. Alright. Me and you Sit down right there, so I say, alright, no girl, video the thinking mouth boy, then when the man your mouth on the pussy, then wicked just stick with you there. Me say the boy, oh, the man a finger fuck and hey, the man tongue a move nice, fast, busy like a 90, this man here suck pussy for a good way, hey, a minute, the man has, hey, people, looking at my face. Me know a pussy name when me see them, this man not try for name pussy, man know how to do it. This man name pussy, what the man forget for that the name the way name out the girl pussy. Him forget a fucking medal. Sound of a name out on the girl pussy boy. Oh no boy, make sure say, hey, every girl him man pitch up in that, you know, girl. In a that, you know. And a finger that and a name that and a rub up in a lick out. Oh, that in a paper. No joke. Man, I deal with me, I say, bow. My brother, as a suck pussy G. Me say, yo. Me say, Taggy, you know of any name pussy, boy. Me, name pussy, you know. As a fellow pussy, no found a Jamaican boy when me hear a talk about Bono. This no way. Well, we are young pussy long time as general, boy. And no for we a bad man. Big Glock power we so we girl pussy in our face. You know that? You know that? Glock in our face, pussy in our face. And we are general. Name out to girl pussy. Brawling. You see? So nobody make you look like a officer alone. Oh, no blood clot boy and your mouth and get a good pussy. I you know. Walla we as general. Don't put it on squad alone, squad your bad no bomb buckler squaddy. You girl should have never put out his squaddy. He's a wicked blood clot Jezebel. He's a Jezebel. You Jezebel girl, you should have never put out squaddy like that. What squaddy do? Not no more than squaddy tell us saying on your mouth your pussy again 3 man married. But squaddy, I know the people in government carry on your mouth your pussy so wedding ring brawling pan finger, your face brawling pan. Brother, you not suck pussy with no caution, bad man. You just on your mouth pussy so you never see your video. Mommy, if you near me pussy, me not say no. If you near me, man, if you near me, if you do it, you should shut up fucking put him out. But brother, you near me pussy so brawling. You know I know your blood clot wife. Why you near me pussy so brawling? You look like you don't look up in the camera to see you know what I want. You know what I want. So what I want? And what kind of understanding your mama have? Oh, mama do this now. Why mama do this now? Can you look like one little freak long time? Me see it in your eyes, me see it in your mouth corner, me see it. Me see it. And your mama pussy just stick. Me see it just stickly and you play up in a mama hole in the tip of your tongue and yeah, boy. How your wife a go feel? Brother, you know. Me say I'm hurting yourself. What you want to hurt yourself for? Huh? Eh? You know son your fucking wife. I and your pussy so brawling pan tape. He's a fool. No, you want to go hang yourself. Don't hang yourself. You're wicked. You do that. That's the way all that girl video. You know say your face I get pan camera. You near me pussy, and you never really care. Why you want to harm yourself now? True, you want deacon, that's what I tell you about them church people, you know. Come here, pardon my French. Enough church girl, my fuck. Big man thing. Church girl fuck, freaky, you fuck. You see, you see on a freaky blood clot church girl? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I don't want to freak me out. You remember? Yes, girl. Oh, no, look at church, girl, a freak. So, no, don't make you look like I deacon alone. Me fuck enough of blood clot. Oh, no, come like, oh, no, bad, oh, no, name of anything in the name of Jesus, you know. Me tell you that bomba clot in a church, girl. And so, now do it under quiet.